Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Spotify is up to date. This ensures the equalizer appears. Open Spotify, tap your profile icon at top right, and go straight to Settings. Once in Settings, scroll to the Playback or Audio Quality section because many Android builds hide the equalizer there. Tap Equalizer to open System Audio Controls. If you don't see it, make sure a music playback device is active. Sometimes the option appears only when audio output is engaged. Once the equalizer opens, select a preset to get a baseline. Presets like Bass Booster or Vocal give you immediate contrast. Then you manually adjust the sliders. Lower frequencies for bass, mid frequencies for clarity, and highs for sparkle. Move one slider at a time and listen for the change so you understand cause and effect. After you dial in a sound you like, save it as a custom preset and name it so you can recall it quickly for different headphones or genres. You finish by testing your new preset with a few tracks and at different volumes to confirm consistency. Once done, make sure the equalizer toggle is enabled. Sometimes Android system equalizer must be turned on separately. If you notice no effect, close and reopen Spotify or restart your phone. That often resolves permissions or audio routing issues. If the option is missing on your device, consider a reputable third-party equalizer app, but be careful with permissions and battery impact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.